Watch how this Karen tries to mock a boat driver and get instant karma on her own.
No, I fucking don't, because she knows how to fucking drive a boat better than you, brother.
Doubt it.
I doubt it. What's this little thing? You got a 200 on the back of a fucking, what, kayak?
What are you, a fucking maritime fucking enthusiast as well, are you?
I just like to do the right thing, and when you come through here fucking hooking, taking
You got
out
nothing
everyone
better
in their
to
fucking
do.
Christmas
Nothing
presents.
better to do to take the fun away from every cunt. Oh, that's it. Oh, well.
I hope you got that.
I did.
Good.
It's going straight on my Instagram.